So here we have MX3 from Meizu, and this is actually a 5.1 screen, and as you see, the screen is 5.1 inch, but you still can hold it with one hand and handle everything with one finger, as you can see here. For one of the example that we always like to show is that when you click on, like, let's say document, and if you want to upload few things, you can just go like this. And if you want to keep going to select it, you can just using one finger to do it. If you here it will show that how many items that you have select. If you don't want to select the one they want, just doing that like this. It will be it's very it's tailor-made for just that you can operate with one finger only. So here we also from the browser we have also building our smart bar, so you can pretty much like have your own like actually under the smart bar. It's also hiding all the function within that smart bar, so you can just easily to handle with one hand. And for other features, like we have a camera is 800 megapixel, but and we integrate some special feature within the camera. For example, you can just hold on the camera and it will take the picture for you. So that way that you have more stable picture without the worry about handshaking. And for the other thing is if you want to test about the CPU, you can. For example, let's say we're going on to Google. That's how fast it runs. Let's say tap into Meizu. Yeah. This is how fast it runs.